What comes to your mind when you think about strength training? Is it a picture of heavy weights and intense workouts, or do you envision a calm and serene yoga session? Often, strength training conjures images of weightlifting or high-intensity workouts, while yoga is typically seen as a peaceful, low-impact practice. However, this is a common misconception. Yoga, despite its serene exterior, is a powerhouse for building strength and resilience. Contrary to popular belief, yoga is not just about flexibility and tranquility. It's about strength, endurance, and challenging your body's physical limits. It's about engaging your muscles fully, not just in isolation, as is often the case with traditional strength training. Yoga promotes overall strength, balance, and functional movement, pushing even the most athletic individuals to their limits. So, while you might not associate yoga with strength training, it's clear that it can be a powerful tool for building muscle and enhancing physical resilience. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the types of yoga that can contribute to strength building. Dynamic poses, such as planks and warriors, demand full-body engagement. They're a bit like a gym workout, but without the weights. When you hold these poses, you're supporting your own body weight, which leads to muscle development and increased strength. Then, there's Ashtanga and Vinyasa yoga. These styles are known for their repetitive movements and longer pose holds. It's like a strength endurance workout for your body, particularly targeting the upper body and legs. And let's not forget the concept of balanced muscle development. Unlike weightlifting, which often isolates specific muscle groups, yoga is all about overall strength and balance. It's a holistic approach to strength building, enhancing resilience and functional movement. In essence, these types of yoga are not only about flexibility and peace of mind, but also about promoting muscle endurance and strength. But what about flexibility? Isn't that the first thing we think about when talking about yoga? Indeed, yoga's role in enhancing flexibility is a key component of its appeal. The daily practice of yoga stretches can significantly improve flexibility, even for beginners, by targeting areas commonly prone to tightness due to our increasingly sedentary lifestyles. But the flexibility we gain from yoga isn't limited to just our bodies. Yoga also cultivates an open and curious mindset. It challenges us to break free from rigid attitudes, fostering mental agility. This is where the practice of yoga transcends physical exercise, becoming a tool for personal growth and exploration. The combination of yoga and meditation encourages us to push beyond traditional boundaries, to challenge ourselves in new and exciting ways. It's this unique blend of physical and mental exercise that makes yoga such a powerful tool for overall health and well-being. Therefore, it's not just about strength or flexibility, but a combination of the two that makes yoga such a comprehensive approach to overall health and well-being.